swimming pools are a great source of recreation and relaxation. However, keeping them clean and clear can be quite a hassle. This is where robotic pool cleaners come in. They take the hard work out of pool maintenance and make cleaning your pool a breeze. With the latest advancements in technology, these cleaners are more efficient and effective than ever. In this video, we will be exploring the best robotic pool cleaners of 2023. Number 1. The Seagull SE is a game changer when it comes to pool cleaning. No more messy hoses and tangled cords. This cleaner is completely cordless and hassle-free. Simply power it on and drop it into your pool and the cleaning process starts automatically. One of the biggest improvements in this model is its increased battery life. The newly designed battery only takes 2.5 hours to fully charge and provides over 90 minutes of cleaning capabilities. This makes it ideal for round above-ground pools up to 33-foot diameter, and in-ground flat-floored pools up to 40 feet by 20 feet. The Seagull SE is equipped with powerful dual-drive motors, making it capable of tracking down and collecting the most types of dirt and debris with ease. The two independent brushes give your pool a deep clean, ensuring that your pool is sparkling clean every time. When the battery is low or when a cleaning cycle is completed, the Seagull SE will automatically stop near the edge of your pool. The included hook makes it easy to retrieve the cleaner without getting wet. Number 2. The Dolphin Sigma is a robotic pool cleaner that promises to make pool cleaning a hassle-free experience. Equipped with an anti-tangling swivel cable, this cleaner can move freely around large residential pools up to 50 feet with ease. The 3-year quality assurance guarantees a worry-free ownership experience. One of the best features of the Sigma is its massive top-loading cartridge filters, which capture and trap fine and ultra-fine debris, providing an optimal clean swimming pool. No more messy bags to clean. The Sigma's powerful, dual scrubbing brushes thoroughly and efficiently attack tough contaminants, removing algae and bacteria from the floor, walls, and waterline. With the ability to clean a 50-foot pool in just 2.5 hours, you'll be able to enjoy a sparkling clean pool in no time. You can set the Sigma's weekly scheduler to automatically clean for you, daily, twice per week, or 3 times per week. You can also connect the Sigma to your smartphone using Bluetooth to spot clean when needed. The advanced navigation and scanning software ensures that your pool is cleaned using the most efficient route, without letting obstacles get in the way. The Sigma is smart, efficient, and will leave your pool sparkling clean every time. Number 3. The Polaris 9550 Sport 4WD is a top-of-the-line, automatic pool cleaner that provides best-in-class performance and 5 cleaning modes. Compatible with in-ground swimming pools up to 60 feet, this cleaner is designed to leave your pool sparkling clean. Polaris has been a trusted name in the pool cleaning industry for over 40 years, known worldwide for its quality and best-in-class automatic pool cleaners. The 9550 Sport 4WD is no exception, featuring a motion-sensing handheld remote, easy lift system, dirty canister indicator, and vortex vacuum technology for premium cleaning performance. The 9550 Sport 4WD comes equipped with a 70-foot cable with a tangle-reducing swivel, an extra-large 5L debris canister, and a handheld remote control. Edit 4. The AIPER Elite Pro is the ultimate pool cleaning solution. With its dual motor system and large inlet, it collects and filters more dirt and debris than ever before, leaving you with a crystal clear pool. The AIPER Elite Pro isn't just limited to cleaning the floor of your pool, it also cleans your pool walls, making it suitable for all pool types, including above ground, in-ground, and all shaped pools. Simply click and forget, and let the Pro do its job. Weighing only 10 pounds, the AIPER Elite Pro is light enough for most of the family to use and is ultra-portable, with a quick water release that makes it storage ready in seconds. The fast-charging battery takes only 2 to 2.5 hours to fully charge and provides up to 120 minutes of cleaning capabilities, enough to clean pools up to 1,300 square feet. Number 5. Introducing the Dolphin Escape, a cost-effective solution for above-ground pool cleaning. With a weight of only 14 pounds, this compact and efficient cleaner is easy to handle and store. The Dolphin Escape comes with a large and in-charge oversized debris cartridge, eliminating the need for messy bags and holding up to 60% more debris. The HyperGrip continuous tracks provide superior traction and leave the wheels behind in their wake. Thanks to SmartNav 2.0 robotic scanning, the Dolphin Escape is able to navigate your pool with ease and cover every inch of it. And with its energy-efficient 24-volt DC motors, you can be sure that you're getting a high-quality performance without sacrificing energy consumption. The Dolphin Escape is backed by a 2-year warranty and is the perfect solution for anyone looking for a hassle-free, cost-effective way to keep their above-ground pool clean. Number 6. The Dolphin E10 is an efficient and effective robotic pool vacuum cleaner designed specifically for above-ground swimming pools. With its ability to clean a 30-foot pool in just 1.5 hours, it can save you time and effort in maintaining a clean pool. This cleaner is designed to be easy to use, with superior filtering and floor scrubbing capabilities that leave your pool sparkling clean and free of debris. Additionally, it operates with energy efficiency, requiring no additional pumps or hoses and costing an average of 5 cents per hour to run. The Dolphin E10 is backed by a 2-year quality assurance, giving you peace of mind knowing that you're getting a reliable and long-lasting cleaning solution. With more than 35 years of experience cleaning residential swimming pools, Dolphin provides pool owners with a hassle-free solution that gets the job done, so you can focus on spending time with your loved ones. Number 7. The AIPER Cordless Pool Vacuum is a 100% cord-free solution for cleaning your pool. With a runtime of up to 50 minutes, this robotic cleaner is ideal for above-ground pools up to 30 feet in diameter, and in-ground flat-bottom pools up to 15 by 35 feet in only one depth. With dual motors and 2 independent scrapers, the AIPER Pool Vacuum provides powerful suction and cleaning action, removing fine leaves, sand, dirt, and other debris from your pool. With a speed of 52.5 feet per minute, your pool will be sparkling clean in no time. In conclusion, the best robotic pool cleaners of 2023 are designed to make pool maintenance a breeze. With their advanced features and efficient cleaning capabilities, these cleaners are the perfect solution for pool owners. Whether you have an above-ground or in-ground pool, there is a robotic cleaner out there for you. So, ditch the manual cleaning and embrace the future of pool maintenance with one of these amazing robotic cleaners.